also known as ATF. Then he brought it to DEA.
What are you working on?
I am working on this beautiful 107 81 Mercedes SL380. It is an oil change, but transmission oil. See what I did there? Customer came in complaining of a leak after coming out of storage. And it did have a transmission fluid leak, also known as ATF. And he brought it to DEA. Two things that were causing the leak. One was this gasket, really stiff. And two, I don't know if you'll be able to see these two dimples. And what they do is they help position the pan at a certain depth. But this one's bent down just the slightest amount. Consequently, it caused the leak to be concentrated on this side of the pan. So we're going to put a new pan, new gasket, do a transmission service while it's here, clean everything up. I took about 2 or 3 feet of accumulated oil. It's over there. Very clean, extremely clean. That sits right in this valley. Just imagine from 1991 until now, this whole section here accumulates whatever horsepower sweat the car is sweating.